We've seen very little change in the weather from one day to the next throughout the week, with sunny conditions over a large portion of the country and a few frontal systems keeping things cool, cloudy and wet over the western and southern part of the country. This weekend we'll still see the effect of the two cold fronts as they bring in some morning rain along the south coast of the Western Cape and cooler weather for the Eastern Cape, with the possibility of rain around Port Elizabeth as well as along the KZN coast. We're also expecting some cloud to move in over the far eastern part of the country, but with yet another sunny day over the interior. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for high seas along the coast between Cape Agulhas and Port Alfred, with a total sea of between 6 and 9 meters, with a special weather advisory between Cape Columbine and Durban, with a total sea of between 4 and 6 meters. In Durban and Richards Bay, we can expect a high of 23 with the possibility of rainfall, with a cooler day over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal, with that cold weather moving in over the Eastern Cape. Maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-teens over the interior, with a mostly cloudy day for East London at 18. Port Alfred and Port Elizabeth can both expect some rain with a high of 18 degrees. Sunny but cold for Oudtshoorn and Beaufort West, with a possibility of morning rain over the southern parts of the Western Cape. Bredasdorp and Hermanus at 17 degrees and Cape Town topping 18. We head into sunshine as we head north, Vredendal topping 20, Springbok at 15, with a sunny and cool day for Uppington and Postmasburg, both at 18 degrees, but still cold over the southern parts of the Northern Cape. It's another cold start of the day for the Free State, with a fine and dry day in the afternoon. Maximum temperatures peaking in the middle and upper teens there, with a cool day for the northwest and a sunny forecast on Saturday, but things starting to warm up for Zeerust with a high of 25. It'll be a dry day for Limpopo, but with a bit of cloud moving in over Palabor with a high of 28, Messina topping 30 degrees, Zanina 24, with a partly cloudy day for Mpumalanga, still cool for Ermelo and eMekhazeni, both at 17 degrees. Soweto and Johannesburg at 19 on Saturday, with a sunny forecast throughout the province, and Pretoria starts off at 4 and warms up to 21 with blue skies overhead and a moderate southwesterly wind. We're expecting strong winds along the Eastern Cape coast, with that southwesterly wind reaching fresh speeds along the KZN coast, but with a light wind as we head into Cape Town. Now on Sunday we can expect that clouds to start moving in over the far eastern part of the country. It also brings in cooler weather over Gauteng, but we have a sunny forecast over the central and western part of the country. Very little change in the weather on Monday, with a cool to mild day across South Africa, but still a bit of cloud lingering over the far northeastern parts.